Hi! Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas. I'm organizing a Christmas party right up front. Come check it out.
Wow! Whoa.
Hey, little cutie, come in and spend Christmas with us.
Hey, hey, I'm here. Merry Christmas!
So what you just saw was a clip from the cartoon I was able to create using nothing but AI. Yup, no animation, no software, no expensive tool, just pure AI magic and a little bit of tweaking. And the best part, it was 120% free. Check the sound effects, the consistent characters, the smooth animation, it's all done using AI. Now look, these days, every so-called AI guru is trying to show you how to make AI videos, but the biggest issue with those videos is inconsistent characters. Today, I'm going to show you the entire process to create a cartoon just like this, with fully consistent characters, clean visuals, and everything in between. Stick with me till the end and don't miss a single part, because at the end of the video, I'll reveal a secret tip to skyrocket your creativity. And let me be real with you. This is not one of those typical guru videos where they say just one click and boom, animated cartoon. No, you gotta follow a few steps, but AI will do the heavy lifting for you. I'm being genuine, and that's what you will always get here on DeepMind AI. So if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's get started. So the number one thing before making a fire AI video is to create a banger script for your animated cartoon. If you already have your own story, that's perfect, but if not, that's totally fine. Just like me, I don't have any idea, so I used AI to help me out. Now, everyone is using ChatGPT and he is already overworked serving all humanity. So that's why we are not gonna put a burden on it and we are gonna use DeepSeek AI for story creation. Head over to DeepSeek from the link in the description. Now, here's the real thing. Don't just ask AI for a generic story. That's how you end up with the same boring stuff everyone else has. Instead, give it a specific instruction like write a story about teamwork, something like a bird trying to help his family making a new home. There should be only a narrator, no specific dialogues for characters. The targeted audience is around 3 to 10 years old kids. The theme should be motivational and funny. Should be around 3 to 5 minutes long. Now, you have given DeepSeek a new and specific prompt. Now, just click on send and just wait while DeepSeek creates the unique story for you. You can use this prompt as a template for your own idea. Boom. DeepSeek has just given you a unique story that no one else has, including the moral of the story, which is perfect by the way. Did you just saw how cool is that? By using specific prompts, you could get these type of stories. Now that we have a story, it's time to move to visuals. Before we create the full video, we need pictures. After the pictures, we'll animate them. So give DeepSeek another command like generate prompts to create AI images for every scene. Now just click on enter and wait a little while DeepSeek will generate specific prompts for every scene that you can use to create AI pictures. Now you can see DeepSeek has given us specific prompts to create the images. Once you have those prompts, go to the link in the description below. It will take you to skyreels.ai. Now once you are on Skyreels, just click on generate images. Here, first of all, you gotta select the aspect ratio. Now, it's already set on 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. If you wanna create shorts, go with 9:16. But in this video, we are going to create a YouTube video. That's why we are going to select 16:9 ratio. Now, click on the style and choose the style. Now, here you can see we got anime, green toon like cartoons, and this one is best for cartoons and this one is best for movies. We are going to create cartoons, that's why I'm gonna select green toon. Then just paste your first prompt. Go to DeepSeek, copy your first prompt, and then paste your prompt here and click on generate. Now you can see Skyreels has created few pictures. Now I'm gonna select this one because it has fewer characters that would help me in upcoming pictures. Now just download this picture. Pro tip, if you wanna keep the character consistent, then just click on image reference and upload the picture you just created and click on confirm. Now that you have just confirmed Skyreels that you want to create every image just like this. So now just go to DeepSeek again and copy your second prompt. Once you copy, just paste the prompt again here and click on generate. Now, as you can see, Skyreels has created the images by using the reference. So now just download this picture. Now AI will use that as a base for all future pictures. Create all your images step by step until the entire story is visualized. Now step 3. Now the real magic happens. creating the videos. For that, click on generate video, and here click on the first frame and upload from device. Select your first picture and then click on crop. Now since it's my first frame, I don't want any fancy animation. I'll just go with something like birds flapping their wings and just click on create. Now wait a little while Skyreels create the video for you. Now you can see Skyreel has created our first scene. Now let's check. Damn, it is perfect. You can see the details in their flapping, and that's what we call a good clip. Now just download this video and head over to create the second scene. Now for the second picture, you gotta go back to DeepSeek and understand what was the situation there. It's something like raining and storm. So we gotta type here something like, now as you can see, I can't give you the specific prompts for every scene. It will depend on your story and your story scenes. Now according to my story, it was something like storm and rain. So I wrote this prompt, and now just click on create. Boom! As you can see, Skyreels has created the storm and the rain video for us. You can see the details. As you can see, these two birds are in worry. There's raining, this bird is unstable. You can check the details in this video. Now do the exact thing for rest of your scenes. Now you got an animated video for every scene. So now comes the crucial part, voiceover. So for that, click on the link in the description and it will take you to 11labs.io, and then click on voices and then click on library. Now here, search for kids story, and now I have selected the Blondie voice. Now click on add and then click on use. Now that you have selected your voice, go back to DeepSeek and copy your story and then paste your story in 11 Labs and then just click on generate speech.
One blustery day, a storm whooshed away their nest, leaving them chirping with worry. We need a new home and we need teamwork, Mama chirped.
Now, as our voice is created, just download your voice. And now, here's the final tip. Now that you got everything for your video, you got the pictures, you got the videos, you got even the voiceover. Now, use any editing software. No matter CapCut, Premiere Pro, or any online software. Put the voiceover in the software and adjust the clip according to the voiceover. And to make it more real, just put a background music according to your story. Then just put some sound effects and just export your video. Boom. You created your first cartoon video. Now, I'm being real with you again. If you're running out of credits on these websites, you've got two options. Buy the basic plan. It's cheap and it's the best AI to create these type of videos. And the second choice, if you don't want to spend any money, just switch Google accounts. And you know it's a secret. So now that you've learned how to create a full animated AI video, you can start freelancing. Or even better, start your own YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to create a faceless channel or got any question about this process, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to like, subscribe, and support the channel.